Dear children, we are starting our second chapter, polynomials. See, when we are doing 2.1, the basics will be covered in it. First question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. The first question is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. This is algebraic expression. This is one term, this is two term, this is three term. This algebraic expression is having three terms. The algebraic expression will be polynomial when the power of the variable is whole number. Variable, this 4 minus 3, 7. These are constant numbers. And x here, x is this, here it is y, x, y, z, these are all variables. Its value will change. So if the power of the variable is whole number, then the algebraic expressions are called polynomials. Here 4x square minus 3x plus 7. The power of the variable, whether this variable or here x power 0 is whole number. Since the power of variables are whole number, therefore it is a polynomial. Let us see the second question. Second question is y square plus root 2. See, y square, the power of the variable is positive. Therefore, here it is constant number. It may be in root. Root means power 1 by 2. It may be power of constant number can be 3 by 2, minus 2, anything. But the power of variable should not be in any other power other than whole number. It should not be negative, it should not be fraction, it not be in radicals. So here the power of variable is positive, therefore it is also polynomial. That you write it down. Okay. Now see, 3 root t plus t root 2. Here the power of variable, it can also be written as 3 t power. Root means what? Power 1 by 2. And here it is t root 2. Now power of variable is in fraction, that is not whole number. Therefore, what you write on? Since the power of variable is in fraction, that is not whole number. Therefore it is not a polynomial. Okay. Now see here, y plus 2 by y. It can be simplified as y plus 2. This will go up, it will become minus 1. So here the power of variable is negative, that is not whole number. Therefore it is also not a polynomial. You have to write down complete. What you write down? Since the power of variable is negative, that is not whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial in one variable. Here x power 10, y power 3, t power 20, all are positive. The power of the variables are all positive, but the variables are different, x, y, t. Therefore it is not a polynomial polynomial in one variable. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Fine. Let's see question number second. Question number second is, write the following coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient means the number which is in front of the variable is called its coefficient. The number in front of x square here is not mentioned, that means it is always 1. So coefficient of x square is equal to 1 here. In second case, the number in front of x square, the minus sign is there, therefore it is minus 1. The coefficient of x square is minus 1. Here the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Here there is no x square, therefore what you will write on? Coefficient of x square is equal to 0. It can be written as 0x square plus root 2x minus 1, because 0 into any number is 0. Are you getting it? Very good. Now question number third is, give one example each of binomial and of monomial of degree 100. Binomial means the polynomial with two terms. Let us see example first. Binomial, it is what? Just let's have a little bit more light. Very good. Binomial, example of binomial is equal to binomial of degree 35. Can be done as, I write on 2x power 35 plus 7. It can be any example. You can take any example. You make 3 more example like that. Now second, you have to write on monomial with degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. You can write on anything. It can be 3y power 100. This is degree of this polynomial. One term monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial. Let's see it in the next session. Let's see. Very good. Now here, question number 4, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. First is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here you have to write down the degree. The greatest, first we arrange, it is already in arranged form. The degree is what? Degree, the greatest power, the biggest power of the polynomial is called as degree. Here degree of this is 3. Let's arrange it. Minus y square plus 4, bigger power than lesser power. Its degree is what? Degree is greatest power of the variable is 2. The degree of this polynomial is 2. Here the degree is 1. Here 3 can be written as what? 3x power 0, because x power 0 is equal to 1. So degree here is what? Degree of this polynomial is 0. Here degree will be 1. Degree will be 1. Are you getting it? Now let us see question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. If the power of the variable is 2, it is called quadratic. If the power or degree of the polynomial is 3, it is called cubic. It is called cubic. If the degree, generally we arrange it. You should arrange it. Y square plus y plus 4. Degree is what? Degree is 2. Therefore it is quadratic. Here after arranging it is what? X plus 1. The power is 1. So it is linear. If the power is 1, linear. If the power is 2, quadratic. If the power is 3, it is cubic. Here power is 1, so it is linear. Here power is 2. Irrespective of how many terms are there, whether it is 2 term, 3 term, but if the power is 2, it will be in terms of terms, it will be monomial. This will be monomial, this will be binomial, this will be trinomial. Now here, because power is 3, it is cubic. But in terms of terms, it will be monomial. Got it? Thank you then. God bless again.